Telepathy, how does it work? In the year 2020, when you already use the satellite technology, marami na ho, mga 5, 10, 20 satellite ang nag-hover mid-air for enhancing the frequency from 5th generation to 6th generation. So, malamang ho kami yung mga matagal na sa panahon ng 2000 na may frequency ay madedetect na ho ninyo. Dati ho kasi nasa 2 second generation ng frequency, and right now we are at the 5th generation. So malamang ho dinami-dami ng infrastrukturang nailagay ninyo, the telepathy and the Philippines without chip was created. Na-discuss ko ano ho yan on the previous